The key fob for your 2018-2024 Toyota Camry uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When the remote locking and unlocking range decreases or the panic button becomes unreliable, it's time for replacement. A new CR2032 battery costs about $1 to $3 online or at pharmacies. Replacing it yourself takes only 5 to 10 minutes and saves you from dealership fees. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and the new CR2032 battery. Avoid metal tools to prevent short-circuiting. Gently pry open the fob at the keyring seam using the plastic tool. Take note of the battery orientation. Positive side up before removing the old battery. Insert the new battery in the same orientation and snap the fob back together. Test the fob to ensure it transmits signals correctly. Work on a non-conductive surface to avoid damage. Ensure the battery is inserted correctly, as reversed insertion can cause immediate failure. Avoid exposing the fob to extreme heat or water after replacement. Newer 2024 models have improved waterproofing. Battery lifespan is typically 1 to 2 years with average use. If you experience rapid battery drain every 6 months or less, especially in 2022 to 2023 models, it could indicate a software glitch in the smart key system, potentially requiring a software reset. While the CR2032 is currently standard, trends are shifting towards rechargeable batteries and eventually battery-free capacitive fobs or smartphone-based digital keys in future Camry models. DIY replacement saves significant costs compared to dealership services and is generally straightforward, but be mindful of anti-tamper seals in newer models.